Okay, so in this quadratic equations, let us see another format if any question is in this form. Like square root of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to dx plus e. Here a, b, c, d, e are the numbers. So let us take one example first and we'll do the problem. For example, solve square root of, only in this format only this method we should apply. Okay, so that is square root of 2x square minus 2x plus 21 is equals to, only LHS is the square root and RHS is 2x minus 3. Now we need to solve. So here is the important thing is under square root the value should be positive first. Okay, under square root is negative number, there is a complex. So it's not a rational numbers. Under square root the value should be always positive and this total answer also should be positive. Right? Based on this, now we need to satisfy the condition, that is ax square plus bx plus c must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, apart from this any other answers they are the rejected, so that we can call this extraneous values, they will be rejected. Now let us solve this problem first. We'll get two answers and from those, by satisfying this equation which is a given equation, the question this one which is not satisfied, that answer is not correct, right? First let us simplify. Now squaring on both sides because you need to remove the square root. So by squaring on both the sides from equation 1, so that is square root of 2x square minus 2x plus 21 is equals to 2x minus 3. Apply whole square on both the sides. This side, left side is square and square root cancelled. Then the remaining is 2x square minus 2x plus 21. A minus b whole square formula you can apply this right side. That is 4x square plus 9, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2 into 2, 4 and 4 3 0. So 12x. Now this one, take all the terms one side and simplify first. Right? Take all the terms other side. 4x square minus 2x square. Okay, plus 2x square to right side. And minus 12x, this is a plus 2x. Plus 9 minus 21 is equal to 0. Take all the terms only one side, then simplify. 4x square minus 2x square is the 2x square minus 12 plus 2, so minus 10x, right? And this minus 12, 9 minus 21. Okay, now this is the general form of quadratic equation. Now from this we can more simplify if we take 2 common, because 3 terms is divisible by 2. Now if you simplify, x square minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. 2 we took common and 0 by 2 is 0. So we can do in this way. Make the maximum any quadratic equation, make it to simplest form if is possible. Now minus 6 is a constant, middle term is minus 5. That will get 6 into 1. What will be minus 6, right? So minus 6 into plus 1. Now we can make into, we can find out the solution first. So x square minus 6x plus x, minus 6 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 6 plus 1 common, x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, x minus 6 is the common overall, x plus 1. By using the zero product rule, we'll find out the x values, that is x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? So x is equal to 6 or one of the solution, and x is equals to minus 1. Now these two are not exactly the root of the given equation. We need to check it out first, which is correct or which is wrong. So for that, let us do checking these both. Now when you are checking, this is must only when the problem is like this. So when x is equal to 6, so from equation 1 we need to substitute these all values, so which is the given question. Square root of 2x square minus 2x plus 21 is equals to 2x minus 3, right? This is the question. In this, when x, where x is the 6, that value substitute. Just by substituting 2 into 6 square minus 2 into 6 plus 21. This side is 2 into 6 minus 3. So square root of this is 2 into 36. 6 square is 36. Right? And minus 2 into 6 is 12 plus 21. And this side is 12 minus 3. Just both the sides you can see. Now, so square root of 36 into 2, this is 72 minus 12 plus 21, that is total 81. This side is 9, and that's it. So here the root 81 is 9. So 9 is equal to 9. So we got LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS we got. So therefore the x is equals to 6. This is the root of the given equation. Now not only this, let us check with minus 1 also. So when x is equals to minus 1, from equation 1 if you substitute square root of 2 into minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 21. So that is equals to 2 into minus 1 minus 3. So square root of, you substitute this. So 2 into minus 1 square, that is plus 1, and 2 into 2 is 2, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 plus 21 minus 2 minus 3. Right, this side is we got minus 5, but this side is 2 plus 2 4 and 21, so 25. Square root of 25 is 5, but is equals to minus 5 got. But according to the what we got solution, this is different, but 5 is not equals to minus 5. So this is a extraneous root, so it is when extraneous roots which is not satisfying, so we will be, it is rejected. So when it's rejected, only the solution set is only 6, right? So this is the not the solution, only x is equal to 6 is the solution set. We can write also. So compulsory it is, whenever the problems are in this type, after getting the solution, just to substitute in that, then you only can find out the answer clear. Right, now let us see after this, when the solution set is given, how to find out the quadratic equation. I'll explain now. When already answer solution is given, how to find out the quadratic equation from the roots. Let us find out now.